Ride on board with me for an extremely wet lap of Cadwell Park. There's a lot of standing water scattered around the circuit. Check out the car moving around as it aquaplanes through the deeper puddles. Full commitment. Down one gear into turn one. As it's uphill, most of the standing water has run down, but you can still see a few little rivers. Important to get a good run here onto the straight. Wet or dry, try and carry the speed in, but don't let it stop you getting to full throttle as soon as possible. A lot of rivers here. Another dose of aquaplaning, but you keep the foot in. Braking at the 100-metre ball for Park Corner, down 3 gears, carry some speed into the corner, making sure you really back on throttle nice and early. Crisp curve coming up, brake early and allow yourself to carry speed around the rest of the corner before the notorious gooseneck. Really fighting the car here, such an awesome corner though, no room for error or the wet grass will have you. Braking into Mansfield, tricky not to go deep here, again focus on a good exit. Your grip is away from the apex nearer the edge of the track. Another famous corner coming up, the mountain. Throw it in and listen to the revs rise as the car goes light over the hill. Not quite as cool as the motorbikes, but not far off. Full bends coming up, my personal favourite, super easy to get wrong. Put my hands up here, threading the needle, clipping the curves, drag you round before hard braking into the hairpin. All the steering like you fancy before a short squirt to the final corner, barn. Fighting the car a little bit there and picking up the throttle to the line. Hope you've enjoyed this super soggy lap round Cadwell Park.